Welcome, my friend. Today I'm blending again art and storytelling in a 5 prompts challenge. Watch, listen and enjoy as I create a captivating collage and a fairy tale inspired by these prompts. Curious? Let's get crafting. Welcome to week 50 of the Margarete Miller Collage challenge. Here I am again with my index card, 4 by 6 inch, the size of a postcard, and the 5 prompts from Margarete Miller. Today it's something gold, something from nature, a portion of a dictionary page, a floor or rug pattern, a gift tag, and as a bonus, a cancellation mark. That was really an interesting prompt for me. I really had to look it up. I didn't know what a cancellation mark is. And I found it's these stamps the post uses to devalue the stamps on the postcard. I will definitely use the stamp on my collage. But then starting with something gold. Here you can see this is a little gift tag and the patterns here, they are shiny and gold, and I will use that with the collage. Then something from nature. Some of you might have seen this book before, Nature's Chaos Pictures, and I will use here the grass picture and my frame again to find a nice little piece as the background or a side piece for the collage. Then a portion of the dictionary page, here my reverse dictionary again, and I looked up turtle and found this turtle's shell is called male and things like that. I will use that portion for my collage as well. And here's my gift tag. I will do some fussy cutting and use it also as a floor or rug pattern. And I decided to use a portion of the reverse dictionary with the turtle bit on it as the background for my collage. Week 50, can you believe it? Nearly the end of the year. How is everyone? How are you? Are you all set up for the end of the year, for the holiday season? Everything you needed to do, is it all done, or are you in this frantic last minute stress to get everything sorted? My holiday season is quieter this year. My daughter is in Germany spending some time with her grandmother, and so it's just me and my husband and some friends here. That's the thing for an immigrant. All my family of origin is back in Germany. And so, it's just us, and it's a little bit quieter if my daughter is also not here. But I think we will make it nice. And in saying making it nice and cozy, I think it's also time for our fairy tale this week. So grab your cup of tea and lean back and enjoy. In a lush emerald meadow where the sun danced upon the dew-kissed grass, there lived 2 turtles, Magnus, large and wise, and Minimus, small and curious. Both turtles were wearing beautiful shells adorned with intricate patches that sparkled like gold under the sunlight. Magnus' shell was a fortress of strength, often referred to as male by those who admired its sturdy armor-like quality. Minimus, on the other hand, had a chest plate smooth as marble, which he often used to slide along the muddy side of the nearby river. One day, as they meandered through their wooded home, Minimus discovered something peculiar nestled among the blades of grass. Pentagram plates with intricate gold-dotted patterns. They glimmered mysteriously, capturing the young turtle's imagination. "Magnus," Minimus called excitedly, "look at these! What could they be?" Magnus ambled over, his eyes widening with recognition. "These are ancient markers from a forgotten journey," he explained. "Long ago, turtles like us traveled far and wide, guided by these symbols." Intrigued by the story, Minimus decided it was time for an adventure of their own. Magnus agreed, seeing this as an opportunity to pass on his wisdom to the younger turtle. As they set off on their journey, they stumbled upon a tiny gold flower nestled among the grass. It seemed to pulse with life and energy. "This will be our talisman," Magnus declared, gently placing it atop of Minus' shells. Their path led them to an old oak tree where they found 2 old letters hidden in a knothole. One was from Australia, dated July 1914. The other bore Asian-looking symbols and the cryptic words, "Return unknown." "What do these mean?" Minimus pondered aloud. Magnus studied them thoughtfully. "The first speaks of journeys across vast lands and oceans," he said. "The second is a mystery, perhaps a message from those who ventured into the unknown and never returned." With determination, they continued their trek, guided by the pentagram's plates and inspired by the stem's tales of distant lands. Their journey took them through forest and fields, over hills and streams. Along the way, they met a variety of creatures who shared stories of courage and exploration. First, they encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch above them. Who are you?" he hooted humorously. "And what brings you here?" Minimus giggled at the owl's pun before replying earnestly, "We are on an adventure to discover what lies beyond our meadow." The owl nodded sagely. "Remember this, wisdom isn't just in knowing where you are going, but also in understanding where you've been." Further along, they met a squirrel who was frantically burying acorns. "Winter is coming," he exclaimed in a high-pitched voice. "But I always forget where I bury these things." Magnus chuckled softly. "Perhaps it's not about where you bury them, but how to discover new ones in forgotten places." Finally, near a bubbling brook, they encountered a frog wearing glasses perched on his nose. He was reading a book titled Leaps in Logic. "Ah, fellow travelers," croaked the frog with delight. "I once leapt across the entire brook in one bound." Minimus looked skeptical but intrigued. "Really? How did you manage that?" The frog winked conspiratorially. "With imagination, sometimes believing is half the leap." As they continued their journey, something unexpected happened. The tiny gold flower atop Minimus' shell began to glow brightly, as if it had absorbed all the stories and wisdom from their encounters. Suddenly, it burst into a shower of golden sparks that formed words in mid-air. "The journey is within." Magnus and Minimus stared in awe as realization dawned upon them. Every step they took was not just about reaching a destination, but about discovering themselves. With newfound wisdom etched into their hearts, Magnus turned to Minimus with a warm smile. "Our journey has taught us that every creature has its own path, filled with lessons," he said gently. Minimus nodded enthusiastically. "And sometimes those lessons are hidden in laughter or unexpected twists." And so it was that under the watchful eye of the sun setting in hue of gold and crimson, Magnus and Minimus rested by the lake's edge, 2 turtles whose journey had only just begun, but whose hearts were forever changed by the wonders they had encountered along the way. Their adventure had taught them that true wisdom lies not only in reaching new horizons, but also in embracing each moment with curiosity and joy, a lesson they would carry with them wherever their paths might lead to next. This brings us to the end of our fairy tale and the end of our collage. Last thing to do for us today, as always, is to go over the prompts one more time. Something gold. Here you can see the intricate gold patterns And here the pentagrams with the dotted pattern. And here the little gold flower minimus holes. Something from nature. Of course, here the picture of the grass and of course the turtles. A portion of a dictionary page is the entire background here with the reverse dictionary of the turtle shell called male. Then a floor of rug pattern here at the bottom, like the dotted was white and gold. A gift tag, yes, the turtles came from a gift tag, and as a bonus a cancellation mark here, Australian, July 1914 and return unknown. I hope you enjoyed today's fairy tale and collage and enjoyed yourself watching this video. If you did, as always, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, press the notification bell so that you will not miss, and subscribe if you would like to see more. For today, I wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.